13th pick in the 1996 NBA draft, the Charlotte Hornets select Kobe Bryant from Lower Merion High School in Pennsylvania.
Kobe Bryant yari umunyamerika, akaba yari umunyamwuga wakinaga umukino wa basketball. Yari umwe mu bakinnyi ba basketball bari bihangange kandi bazwi cyane kurusha abandi mu kinyejana cya 20 n'icya 21. Papa we nawe yari umukinnyi wa basketball bihimbarutse gukururwa ndetse no gukunda uyu mukino kwa Kobe Bryant. Yatangiye kuwukina akiri muto, akanahagarara ikigo cye mu mikino myinshi ya basketball. Yafashe ikigo cye kubona itsinzi gitwara igikombe nyuma y'imyaka 53. Ibihe byabaye akanya k'ibyishimo byinshi kuri Kobe n'ishuri rye. Kobe Bryant yaje gufata umwanzuro wo gukurikira impano ye ya basketball, ntiyageza kuri amasomo ye. Yahindutse umwe mu bakinnyi bake bahise bajyanwa muri NBA, shampiyona basketball muri Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika ako kanya bakiri mu mashuri yisumbuye. Yagizwe umwe mu bakinnyi b'ikipe yakundaga by'igihe kirekire Lakers. Kuva icyo gihe uyu munyemano ntiyigeze yongera kureba inyuma, imikorere ye yiyongeraga kuri buri mukino. Yahuraga n'imvune bikamutera kugirwaho impaka nyinshi, yagiye ashyiraho uduhigo twinshi ndetse akuraho n'utundi twari turiho. Yari umwana w'ikipe ya Los Angeles Lakers ndetse yatuye na kariyeri ye yose y'imyaka 20 yamaze muri iyi kipe. Ku myaka 41 gusa, tariki ya 26 Mutarama mu 2020 yitabye Imana, maze isinzi imiciko ururondogora ahantu hose. Yapfuye yarakoze byinshi mu mateka y'isi.
Once upon a time, there was a young basketball player who had dreams of becoming one of the greatest basketball players of all time. I can understand people naming me #1 player in the nation, but I have to move on and try to improve my game.
Kobe Bryant from Lower Merion High School.
Here we got a dribble drive, change of direction by Bryant, slam dunk. Woo!
Ever since I picked up a basketball, I just wanted to play in the NBA. That's all I knew, that's all I thought about. But I never knew I was good enough. I just knew it was something I wanted to do, and if I wasn't good enough, I was gonna make myself good enough.
Ibintu byose yabikoze ate? Urakaza neza mu kiganiro n'abantu, nushima ibyo dukora, ntugenda udashije agaciro imirimo y'amaboko yacu kandi subscribe, unabisangiza abandi, wandika nifuza ko twazakubwira aho utaha. Jya kwifuriza ubuzima buzima, ndisaka HB. Yavutse muri Kanama tariki 23 mu 1978 muri Philadelphia kuri Joe Bryant na Pamela Cos Bryant. Yari afite bashiki bakuru babiri, Shaya na Sharia. Yakinye basketball na football kuva akiri muto, yakuze ari umufana wa Los Angeles Lakers hamwe na AC Milan yo mu gihugu cy'Ubutaliyani. Ubwo yari afite imyaka 3, umuryango wimukiye muri Leyte mu Butaliyani. Mu 1991 basuye muri Philadelphia. Kobe Bryant yahise yinjira mu kigo cy'amashuri yisumbuye Lower Merion High School. Imyitwarire mu mikino ya basketball muri icyo kigo byagiye hari umudari wa State Championship. Nyuma y'imyaka 53 nta gikombe ku giti cye, yaravuga tumva buri kimwe cyose gisa n'ikidashoboka, bibara imbaraga zawe kugira ngo ikore maze uzamuke.
Inside the three-point arc, fades and fires and hits at the buzzer. Kobe Bryant has hit a shot at the buzzer.
I had a purpose. I wanted to be one of the best basketball players to ever play. And anything else that was outside of that lane, I didn't have time for. I made that deal with myself at 13 years old. So everything I saw, whether it was TV shows, whether it was books I read, people I talked to, everything was done to try to learn how to become a better basketball player. Everything. And so
Magana 1996 nibwo yinjiye muri NBA muri Charlotte Hornets. Mbere yuko agurishwa muri Los Angeles Lakers, ntiyongera kujya kwiga, ahubwo atangira kariyeri ye y'imikino. Mu 1996 kugeza mu 1997 season yaho yakinye neza maze akora agahigo ko kuba ari we mukinnyi muto ukinnye NBA. Muri All Star Weekend yabaye muri Gashyantare mu 1997 yatsindiye igihembo cya Slam Dunk Contest maze anaba umukinnyi muto utsindiye iyi championship. Ugukora neza cyane bigaragarira buri wese muri uyu mwaka byatumye abona umwanya muri All Rookie ya kabiri ya NBA. Mu 1997 kugera mu 1998 yakoze neza kurusha season yari yabanje maze atorwa nka NBA All Star Starter. Niwe wari umukinnyi muto ubayeho utsindiye iki gihembo. Muri season yakurikiyeho Bryant yakinnye neza bidasubirwaho maze yimugira umurinzi wa mbere w'irushanwa. Muri icyo gihe yahise yongera amasezerano y'imyaka 3 muri Los Angeles Lakers. Mu 1999 umukinnyi w'umunyamerika wacyuye igihe Phil Jackson yatorewe kuba umutoza wa Los Angeles Lakers bifasha Kobe Bryant kuzamura urwego. Uyu munyabigwi mu mukino wa basketball Kobe Bryant yafashije ikipe yo gutsinda maze begukana ibikombe mu 2000 kugera mu 2002. Muri season ya 2002 na gatatu Los Angeles Lakers ntabwo bashije kugera ku mukino ya nyuma ni nyuma yo gutsindwa na San Antonio Spurs. Kobe ntabwo yabashije kugira icyo akora mu mukino yabanje muri season ya 2003 na 2004 ya NBA, ariko aho yagarukiye yagejeje ikipe ye kuri finali ndetse anatsindira igihembo cya Pacific Division, gusa baza gutsindwa n'ikipe ya Detroit Pistons. Muri uyu mwaka kandi nibwo Rudy Tomjanovich yatorewe kuba umutoza mushya w'ikipe ya Lakers maze Kobe asinya indi kontra y'imyaka 7 muri Lakers.
If I was in my prime, who would I want to play one-on-one with? That list is very long. Start off with Jerry West, Elgin Baylor, Kobe Bryant in his prime, LeBron in his prime, D-Wade in his prime, Melo. That's a good start.
Yeah.
I don't think I lose. Other than Kobe Bryant because he steals all my moves.
Season yakurikiyeho ntabwo ari iy'amahirwe kuri Kobe n'ikipe ye muri rusange, babuze itike yo gukina imikino ya playoff. Ibintu bitari byarababayeho mu myaka myinshi yari ishize bituma umutoza Rudy yegura ku mirimo ye yo gutoza Los Angeles Lakers. Season ya 2005-2006 yari yo kuvuka bushyashya kuri Lakers. Ikipe nayo nibifashijwemo n'umutoza Phil Jackson wahise ugaruka n'abakinnyi b'ingenzi ba Lakers. Bagize amahoro nyuma yo gushyiramo intera y'amanota menshi ku makipe yari abakurikiye. Ikipe irongera igaragara mu mikino ya playoff. Muri Mutarama mu 2006 Kobe yatsinze amanota 81 mu mukino atsinda Toronto Raptors. Nanone mu mikino ine yakurikiye yatsindaga amanota ari hejuru ya 45. Ikipe ikomeza kuzamuka kugereranyije na season yari yabanje. Muri season ya 2003-2007 ya NBA yakoze neza maze ahitwamo gukina umukino All Star Game Trophy ku nshuro ya kabiri, ariko ho ikipe yari yaratsinzwe muri playoff imikino ine kuri umwe yatsinzwe na Phoenix. Mu Kuboza mu 2007 yakozaga ko ku umukinnyi w'umwana wagejeje amanota 20,020. Akagarigo kaje gukurwaho nyuma na LeBron James. Umwaka akurikiyeho yahagarariye ikipe ya US Men's National Basketball, anahabwa umudari wa zahabu muri Olympique. Yanahawe ishimwe ryo kuba umukinnyi wa NBA uhenze, NBA Most Valuable Player Award. Muri season ya 2007-2008 Lakers yageze ku mukino wa nyuma ariko iza gutsindwa na Boston Celtics. Lakers bagize intangiriro nziza muri season ya NBA ya 2008-2009 maze gukora cyane kwa Kobe Bryant kumuhesha umukino wa All Star, anagirwa umukinnyi w'ukwezi wa Western Conference mu Kuboza na Mutarama. Lakers babonye intsinzi ku mukino wa nyuma wa 2009 wa NBA maze Kobe atsindira igihembo cye cya mbere cya NBA Final MVP. Muri season ya 2009-2010 yakinnye neza cyane maze akuraho agahego ka Jerry West, anaba umukinnyi uyoboye abandi mu gutsinda amanota menshi muri Los Angeles Lakers. Umukino wa nyuma wa NBA wa 2010 nawe watwawe n'ikipe ya Lakers maze nanone uyu mukinnyi wari wifitiye impano yongera gufata igihembo cya NBA Final MVP Award. Urugendo rundi rw'intsinzi 3 zikurikiranye rwaje kuburizwamo na Dallas Mavericks muri raundi ya kabiri ya playoff maze iyi kipe itsindira NBA ya 2011. Mu mpeshyi Olympics ya 2012 yatsindiye umudari wa zahabu. Kobe yiswe umukinnyi wa mbere wa NBA w'imyaka 2000 abyiswe na Sporting News. Mu 2012 Ukuboza yageze ku manota 30 muri kariyeri ye, aho umukinnyi wa mbere mu mateka ya NBA yageze kuri iyo ntego Muri iyo season kandi Michael Danton yatorewe kuba umutoza wa Lakers. Kobe Bryant yari azi Michael Danton kuva mu bwana bwe kandi yamukurikiranaga hafi ubwo papa yakinaga mu Butaliyani. Nyuma yo kuvunika kenshi, Kobe Bryant yasubiye mu kibuga muri season ya 2013-2014. Iyo season Lakers ntabwo yashoboye kugera ku mukino ya playoff bwa mbere kuva muri 2005. Bryant yongeye kugira imvune nyinshi muri season ya 2014-2015. Nyuma yo gukira neza, yasubiye mu kibuga cyane season ya 20 muri Lakers, aca kuri John Stockton mu kugira season nyinshi mu ikipe imwe. Ku myaka 37 yabaye umukinnyi mukuru watsinda amanota 30 cyangwa za hejuru umukino. Gusa ariko Lakers barangije season ku gahigo kabi cyane kurusha izindi zagizwe n'iyi kipe mu mateka. Tariki ya 29 Ugushyingo mu 2015, Kobe Bryant yatangaje ko amanitse inkweto cyangwa se arikiye gukina umukino wa basketball abinyujije muri Players Tribune mu gisigo yise inshuti yanjye basketball. Yerekana urukundo rwe muri uyu mukino yari afite uhereye mu bwana bwe. Yanagaragaje urukundo yari afite ikipe yakundaga mu zindi zose, Los Angeles Lakers, ndetse anashimira abafana bamufashije gukora umukino kandi no kuba yabaga ayoboye mu kubona amajwi menshi amutorera ko mu mukino wa All Star afite amajwi 1,900,000 agakurikirwa na Stephen Curry. Mu buzima bwe yarabaga ati ntitayaho nturuka cyangwa imyaka byamfata ngo ngeraho nifuza, ati ibyo simbizi, icyo nshaka ni ukuba umukinnyi mwiza wa basketball kandi nzabigeraho nta kabuza. Uyu mukinnyi utakwibagirana mu mateka yise yiswe umukinnyi uhenze kurusha abandi wa NBA. Yatsindiye NBA MVP inshuro 2 zose. Yagejeje ikipe yo kunsinzi ku mukino ya nyuma ya NBA inshuro 5 zose. Kobe Bryant yiswe NBA All-Star inshuro 18. Yaniswe NBA All-Star Game MVP inshuro zirenga 4 zose. Mu 2001 yashyingiranywe na Vanessa Ryan, babyana abakobwa 4, Natalia, Gianna, Bianca na Capri. Yari afite company yitwa Kobe Bryant Inc. Yashoraga mu bintu byinshi bitandukanye bijyanye n'imikino. Kimwe mu biheruka munuko gushora vuba ni investment yo mu ruganda rw'ibinyobwa rwitwa Body Armor. Mu 2018 Ukwakira, Kobe Bryant yasohoye igitabo cyitwa The Mamba Mentality, uko nkina How I Play, kigaragaza kariyeri ye. Yari afite ubukungu buhanye na $500,000 z'amadolari. Yari mu ihuriro na groupe ya Rap Chosen, ndetse yanasohoye indirimbo yitwa Kobe. Yavugaga ururimi rw'Igitaliyani neza cyane. Kobe Bryant tariki ya 26 Mutarama mu 2020 hafi ya Calabasas muri California we n'umukobwa w'imyaka 13 Gianna Bryant mu mpanuka y'indege barapfuye, isi yose yuzura agahinda bamusabira imigisha ku Mana no gutuzwa hatunganye. Imana ishobora byose ikomeze mu iruko ridashira.
Hey, Twitter world, it's a sad day. Just heard the news about Kobe Bryant.
This morning, the NTSB says Kobe Bryant's luxury helicopter was not equipped with critical safety technology, a terrain avoidance warning system, or TAWS.
Terrain, pull up. Last Sunday's sudden death of basketball great Kobe Bryant produced a torrent of well-considered tributes. Unfortunately, the reporting also caused confusion and heated debate over what's fair game in the aftermath of a tragic death.
About an hour after the helicopter carrying Kobe Bryant and 8 others went down in the Santa Monica foothills, the website TMZ was reporting Bryant was dead.
According to TMZ, Kobe Bryant and at least 3 other people.
Once TMZ had it, so followed the others.
Kobe Bryant was reportedly traveling with 4 others.
A total of 5 people have been reported to have perished.
Those reports were all partially wrong, but this one from ABC's Matt Gutman, captured here on cell phone video, was devastating.
Wakoze kuri iki kiganiro n'abantu nyemere cyane tugisoreza aha ahubwo tuzasubira ubutaha kundi munyabwi cyangwa se cyamare icyo busabwa no kudukurikira umunsi kundi ukanda subscribe reka nkubwire ngo naho ubutaha uri inshuti yacu ngende Isaka HP Imana ishobora byose ihaza ukwifuza kwawe kandi ugire ubugingo buzima.